So thanks for joining me tonight. We're going to do a large abstract watercolour trial number 2. This is going to be for caramel. So this is not exactly a commission, but I just said I'd just try this, see how it goes. It's a certain colour combination for a certain room, and we'll just see what comes of it, because I have no idea if I can actually reproduce one of those abstracts I did a while ago, but in a different colour combination. So we'll see how that goes. Just going to lather that water on. If you want to see that previous video, I'll put a link up in the description up here right now, and you can check that out, or it'll be in the description below as well. I'll put a link to it in the description below. So I'm just wetting the paper thoroughly. This is a sheet of Rives BFK etching paper, 56 by 76 centimeters, 280 GSM. It's just attached by tape at the top. I'm just going to lather on this water here, and then we'll just get going with the card. So the colours I'm using tonight is Paynes Grey, Alizarin Crimson, Cadmium Red, Cerulean Blue, Winsor Yellow and Cobalt Blue. So we'll see how that all goes. Alright, we'll just take this across here. Beautiful. Let's get a bit more water on here. And we'll just start to goes. Use a little bit of a toothbrush here to just flick a bit of Alizarin Crimson here to just get a bit of that colour happening. It should explode a bit. So I don't think there's anything much more for me to do right now. I think what I'm going to do is dry this and then look at it with a fresh set of eyes. I might be coming in with some gold leaf somewhere in this. And the only thing about this from a compositional point of view that I'm not liking is it just feels a bit closed in, this little space here. I wanted some more light out here. I got a bit more light. It was better than it was, but it still feels like I need to get some more white somewhere to balance that out a bit, personally. I think. Don't know. I think I have to dry it and then make a decision. Oh wow, look what I just found inside my... Oh, poor thing. Look what I just found in my paintbrush. Well, I wonder what was sticking out. I better let him outside or he might not last very long. I'll give him a little bit of... There you go, mate. Bit of water. Right, I'll put him outside. Beautiful little lizard. Right, we'll see. This might ruin this painting a bit. But I just feel like I need to bring something in across here a bit to give a bit of contrast. So definitely at the moment this painting is not really working for me. So it's all a bit too samey, and so I think I'm going to bring in some warm colours here. I don't think this is going to follow my plan, so I might have to just paint another one at some stage. So we'll just see. But it's worth trying to produce a painting that might work. So we'll see how this. Might just need to fill up with water. Soften that edge. Just going to disturb some of this pigment. I know it could potentially make it go a little bit muddy, but come in with some strong pigment. definitely need something a bit more, but I do like it more than I did before. Sorry, I was playing with it while you guys couldn't see because it was off the table and at a very steep angle, so I couldn't really show you guys that. So like watercolour that you play with too much, it almost has a tendency of just lacking a little bit of dark, lights a bit, and some freshness, which is what is nice to have with a watercolour. But I still like it. So I'm going to dry this, and then I'm going to come in at some stage with some gold leaf probably to just see if I can create some a subject somewhere around here, but I'd have to contemplate that a bit. So I'm just going to continue drying it. That might have to be a subsequent episode because I'm going to be drying it and then contemplating it and then doing that. So I hope this was helpful for you guys tonight. If you like this tonight, then press the like button. I know this is a big one again and not small and that sort of thing, but it's just I enjoy just following a process of just not really thinking very much and just doing what my gut sort of says I should do, which is, to be honest, these days getting a little bit bigger. But so yes, I'll see. I've never really used gold leaf before, but I bought some a while ago, and I thought I'd try that out as a medium to put into a watercolor, because it's just beautiful highlights that you can put in. So we'll see how it goes doing that. I'm going to have to plan that though, and then put on the adhesive and then put the gold leaf over the top. So it won't just be quite as spontaneous as I'm used to painting. Thanks for joining me tonight in this large abstract watercolour trial 2. I actually, having stepped back, I quite like this, even though I don't think necessarily they're exactly the right colour combinations, but as a painting I like it. I'm glad I went where I went with it. I think what I'm going to do is put in a very thin strip of gold leaf right here. That'll sort of just contrast against dark. So put a little bit in there, and I might put a tiny little sliver right across here. But I'm definitely going to put some in here, and then I'll stand back and have a look and decide whether I put a little bit more in there. But that's pretty much where this is going to finish. And I think then I'll probably just sign it down the bottom here, and then I think this painting will be done. So if you'd like to know about future videos, then press the subscribe button and press the bell button. And so if you'd like to buy any paintings apart from this one, then have a look on my website. And if you'd like more help with your watercolour, then join me on Patreon. The link's in the description below and up in the card up there. So thanks guys. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate all the support. Any questions, just let me know, and I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next episode next week. Thanks guys, good night.